Here is your weekly momentum recap update video. Let's go through the items. The first item we have on here is a new intake form called Quick Auto Policy. If you click Add New Entry, you can select Quick Auto Policy 2 right here. From here, I can go ahead and start from an existing insured. I can create a new insured, fill out the drivers, the garaging address, the policy, the vehicles, and additional insureds right here. Go ahead and save it, and it will create that insured with all of those items attached to it. Again, these intake forms are here to simplify the process of creating, everything that you usually have to create if you're doing an auto policy. So instead of going through the multiple areas you have to do, you could fill out everything in this form and it will fill out those multiple areas for you. Moving past that, we added the ability to display the total number of reports within interactive reports. So you can go up here and you'll see 21 reports are here. You can click View All Reports to see all of the reports in this category, but you'll see the total amount that are available. This next one is the ability to search for the origin, not assign. This is for prospect and insureds. The origin is how the data came in, how the data was created. We added the ability to do not assigned. So if there was nothing assigned to the origin, you can go in and view those. So we could search it, apply it, and then we'll look for the ones that have no origin. Under batch action, we added the ability to change the origin from not assigned. So if I see not assigned origin, I can now use a batch action to change the origin right here, and I can change it to any of them. We also added in a batch action for insured NC Roam access. So if you have a client set up with a client login portal, you want to search the ones that have user access, and then you can go here to the batch actions and you can actually activate their Roam access straight from here. So I can switch it to yes, and if they have access to the client login portal, they also have access to Roam. They will be able to log into Roam using their client login portal login. And NC Roam is our mobile application. And to find out more about that, just go down here and click on NC Roam. Moving past that, under the insureds and prospects, we added a subline to display CSRs, and this will display all of the CSRs available. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to go ahead and quickly add some CSRs to this record. So this one has one, but we'll go ahead and add a few more. So I will save it. Now I will go into here, and the subline it was referring to is right here. So you can see this right here. We are showing multiple CSRs right at the top of the screen in this subline. We added a new hotkeys reference for home that will redirect you to the dashboard light. So from anywhere in Now Search, I can go ahead and type in home, and it will take me back to the dashboard light. So on this next item, we added the ability to show a compare icon if the compare feature is available. This is found within the Renewal Center. You can go here, and if there's a policy with either a renewal quote or a renewal policy involved, not only will we show the info center, but we now have this nice new icon. So before you would go to actions, you can click on compare quote. Now you can just go ahead and select it right here, and it will generate the summary of the policy and the quote, or the policy and the renewal policy, to display the differences. This item, we added a new column and search filter for CSRs through the Endorsements List. So if I go to Endorsements, Fees, and Taxes, we now have a CSR available up in the search filter, so we could turn that on. And we have it available in the columns, so we could also turn it on here. This way we could search for it, we could report off of it, we could export it. Under the navigation palette, we added both Dashboard Light and Interactive Reports List as possible links. So the navigation palette is great. So here's the navigation palette. As you can see, I can go into here and I could see the available options. So we have Dashboard Light and Interactive Reports available under Faves, but you could also customize this to be in whatever type of organization that you want. And then under Claims, we also added the ability to search for the carrier not assigned. And that was it for the Momentum update. Thank you.